Will Dodge actually remove the Challenger from their lineup and replace it with another two-door option like the Barracuda? Will Dodge remove the Challenger from the lineup in the remodel? Now, this is a topic that I've seen, heard, each time that I upload a video about the Barracuda, the 426 Hemi. There seems to be a lot of speculation, comments, questions about whether Dodge will keep the Challenger paired up with the Charger. I haven't heard anyone voice any kind of opinion about the Charger going away. It's typically always the Challenger. And this is something that I've been thinking about. Will Dodge actually remove the Challenger from their lineup and replace it with another two-door option like the Barracuda? And this is something that I don't think will ever happen. And the reason why is because there's no point to doing that. The Challenger, since its debut in 2008, it's either 2007, 2008, I'm not 100% sure on that, has been really good. Each year, the sales have been fairly consistent, and there's no reason for them to pull the plug. So the sales back up why you shouldn't actually remove the model. Number two is the amount of money that just got dumped in the last year and a half, 2 years, to the Challenger. Even though it's getting remodeled and it will have a slightly different look, the amount of branding and marketing that the Challenger just received in the last year and a half is unbelievable. The amount of money spent on the Challenger name alone is worth keeping around. So, you know, you have a combination of those two that really it doesn't make any sense to remove that model. I'm not sure why there's speculation or why there's something out there. If anybody knows anything out there that I am not aware of, definitely let me know, because I'm interested to hear why people are thinking that the Challenger could potentially go away. From what it is that I see, the articles that I read, the yearly sales, you know, that Dodge puts out and everything, and the numbers, it all doesn't add up to them saying, you know what, we're going to pull the plug on the Challenger. From what I see, I think they're going to continue keeping the Charger and the Challenger as almost a pair. And I think they're probably the most dynamic duo on the market at this point. You cannot get a four-door Mustang. You cannot get a four-door Camaro. You know, and that's something that works in Dodge's favor. Is the fact that those that really want that muscle car but have a sleeping kid back there, they get the Charger. Those young stallions, those that can get into a two-door, they have the Challenger, you know, and it works great. The pair of them, they work well together. So let me know what you guys think.